Hello everyone. In this video, we will be understanding on how to create an Apple device profile. The option to create a device profile is present under Device Management and Device Profiles. Once you click on Device Management and Device Profiles, you will be shown a screen like this if you don't have any profiles. As indicated, a device profile is nothing but a common group of policies that can be applied to multiple devices so that you can manage multiple devices easily. Let us go ahead and create a new profile. When you click on Create New Profile, you will be shown a dialog where you can choose the type of the profile. Currently, Mobilock supports two types of profiles, that is Android or an Apple profile. In this demo, we will focus on the Apple profile part. Let's click on the Apple part. Let's give our profile a name. Let's call it iOS profile. The exit passcode option is not required for Apple and hence it is disabled. Click on Submit. Once you click on Submit, you will be shown a page where you can set various policies. This has 4 sections. The first section is about app selection. This section works only for supervised devices. What this means is you can control the visibility of the apps on your supervised devices. We have given you two options. Either you can whitelist a list of selected apps or blacklist a list of selected apps. What you would see here is the most frequently found applications across iOS devices starting 9.3. We have pre-populated this list so that you can easily find and add them or disallow them. I'm in this demo using the option of whitelist selected apps. For example, I want to give my users an option to allow Calculator, the App Store, and the Home app. I don't see the Home app here. I can go ahead and search the Home app and I can select it. Once I have decided what kind of apps I want to allow, I can go ahead and click on Next. This section is about how to whitelist browser shortcuts. This demo is about creating a basic new Apple profile. Please refer to our other sections where we tell you how to create whitelist websites and how to enable them or disable them in the profile. For the sake of demo, I'll click on Next. This section is about how to apply a brand onto your iOS devices and how to arrange the home screen layout. In the section related to branding, we have the help that explains on how to use branding. For this demo, I'll tell you how to arrange the home screen icons. For that, click on the home icon. You would see the left-hand side panel and the right-hand side frame, which looks like an iPhone. You can go ahead and drag the items from left-hand side to the right-hand side and arrange them like this. If you want to add a new page, you can click on Add a Page and you can drag the other item. You can also place the item at the dock. Once you are satisfied with the arrangement, you can click on Save. If you're not, you can delete the page and add or rearrange the icons. I'll go ahead and click on Save. Once you click on Save, you would see the same layout that you had given there here. We won't show the dock here, but the settings will be directly applied on the device. Click on Next. Restrictions is the most powerful section for an Apple profile. We offer a various subset of the total restrictions that are most frequently used, starting with single app mode, which kind of allows you to set one app in kiosk mode. Please refer to our single app mode tutorial to understand it better. For this demo, I'll just set very basic settings so that we can show you how to create a device profile. The network settings, you can choose a Wi-Fi configuration that you want to enforce on your supervised devices. There are some settings related to hotspot and roaming as well. There are Safari specific settings. You can enable or disable Safari if you want to. Please note that you can enable Safari from your allowed apps also. You can go here and you see when I enabled Safari there, it got enabled here as well. You can control these properties. Now, the enabling and disabling of apps, as I told earlier, works only on supervised devices. These properties, the properties which are identified by general, apply for non-supervised devices as well. You would see the entire settings panel divided into general or supervised. Let's go ahead and do some iCloud and Siri settings. I can control whether I want the iCloud backup or not, the keychain sync or not, or Siri or not. These are the general settings. I'll leave them to the defaults for now. You can control your lock screen behavior, that what do you want to allow or not allow when the user is on the lock screen. There are some app settings which kind of give you a basic control on the various options, like do you want to allow the installation or not, do you want to allow app removals, the iTunes, podcast, AirDrop, and various other apps. Again, the general is for non-supervised and the supervised options are highlighted by the supervised tab. Similarly, there are some general settings which kind of gives you an overall setting which don't have a specific category. Let me go ahead and allow screenshot as well and disable camera. And on the supervised, I would not want the user to allow device name modification, but and the wallpaper modification. So for now, these are the settings that I want. All of these settings are explained in our advanced tutorial. For now, we'll focus on creating an Apple profile. Once I'm done, I can just click on Create Profile. Once the profile is successfully created, you can see the profile being created here, identified by an Apple logo because it's an Apple profile. If it would have been an Android profile, it would have been identified by an Android logo. And you see a frame here with the icons or the apps that you have allowed in the order that you have allowed. Once you have a profile, the options that you have are to delete this profile, or you can copy this profile so that you can edit it and kind of enhance it. You can edit this profile, that is, it will take you back to the screen so that you can make changes here. And you can apply this profile. Right now, I don't have any devices on my account, so I don't see it. Once we have devices, we can move devices between profiles, remove them from one profile, add to another profile. This gives you a basic idea on how to create an Apple profile. Please watch out for other videos on how to use all the features of the device profile. Thank you.